Alright, you've been watching my videos. This should look familiar. It is time for the January update. Of course, first we got to see where the river's at. This is going to be quite different. The river has climbed a good bit. Look at, you can't see it from here, but looking over at the kid, the hull is in water. So we may not be able to see the Brookhill this time. We're still going to take a walk down there and see exactly how close we can get to it. Yeah, there must be some type of an event or something going on, because look down there. Cops are blocking off traffic. The parking lot is completely, well, not completely, but mostly full. It's usually not. Couldn't help but be curious what's going on, but got a little boat traffic going on the river this morning too. So yeah, we're gonna make our way down there. Oh, and I can now dress for the occasion too. Little Christmas present there that I got. Yeah, you can tell that it has really come up. I don't know if we're gonna see the boat at all. I have a feeling it's either still on the edge of the water like it was on the last update, or it is resubmerged. If we can't get it, we'll if we can't get access to it, I'll take up the drone, and I'll take up the drone anyway, but we'll see if we can see the boat at all that way. Yeah, we're only going to be able to get down so far. Yeah, I think it's underwater again. I cannot see it at all from right here. See, there's the trail. Let's see, the ship would be over here right by the barge. Yeah, it's underwater. So it turns out this is going to be a pretty short update. But I knew eventually this was going to happen, but I wasn't expecting it to happen this soon. Right over there in that clearing is where it would be. Yeah, look at this. this is it. It's crazy to think just 2 months ago we were able to walk quite a bit further than this, but here we are right at the water's edge. I mean, the land went up to the edge of the barge that was here. I don't know if it's the same barge or not, but you get the idea. Yeah, that's it. All right, let's go back up. This is what I'm having to walk on. Yep, there it is. It's just so disappointing that they did not excavate this boat. It should belong in a museum, not back under the water. All right, having said that, we're gonna go take our walk down to the kid. Yeah, this is quite different from the last 2 months. Look how high up the river has come over here. We're gonna have to go here on the paper clips to look at the kid, because you cannot access the hull anywhere now. Like the whole hull is surrounded by water. Yeah, that's pretty different now. There's actually a lower level that we can walk on. I'm gonna do that too. First, we're gonna get a top view here. Yep, so in the first video, you'll remember these two posts or whatever, I'm not sure what they're called, that are supporting the side of the ship there. You could walk completely around it in the first video. In the second video, there was a little sliver of land that you could walk around it, and now there's no walking around it at all. Been cool if that really big boat over there on the other side of the bridge would have been passing through underneath. That'd have been some nice footage to get. But it looks like it's been in that same spot for quite a while. These barges are maneuvering, or these tugboats are maneuvering these barges around. I guess they're getting ready to haul some off. I'm not sure. Let's go to the lower level. It looks like this is blocked off, so we can't access it. Yep, they've got it padlocked. You can still see a little bit of the ship right here. Well, this is a much shorter update for obvious reasons. We cannot access the Brookhill at all via land, and I'm still going to take up the drone because in case there's any chance there's a slight sliver of it that's still visible. I'm going to probably say that there isn't, though. But I'll definitely come out here at least one more time and see where the river's at, if it gets higher, if it gets lower. I can only assume that it's going to get higher at this point because springtime approaches here faster than it does in other parts of the country. So we're going to get those spring rains. Eventually all the snow up north is going to start melting and it comes down river. And I've seen the river get as high as the very top of these steps right here on the levee. So we'll at least come out one more time. I've got some other stuff planned for this year for the channel. I hope everyone will continue to enjoy the content. And I appreciate anyone taking the time to view the channel. So without a doubt, without any further ado, here comes the drone footage. So until the next time, drive safely.